Impossible. Yeah, it's hard to get mimic somebody today. I'm holding it in my wrong hand, I think.
It doesn't matter as long as you're moving the hand that it says that the yellow hand.
And that's the right hand, Brad.
That's the part I'm really good at. Look at that, perfect.
You better pick up your game, I think.
Oh, Brad's smoking.
As good as you think you are.
You guys both have a long way before you reach the flag. What's the flag? All the way around that circle, it looks like.
Oh man. Oh.
Oh man. This is weird. I like how looking at them, they're both doing completely different things. Whoa. Pretty freaky there. Yeah, I know. What? Do your booty shaking.
What does it say that?
How can you be doing better than me? We're not even doing it.
You're not looking at me.
Just watch me, Steve.
Everybody's watching this.
Man, you're showing me. I am? Yeah, you are, Brad. Like, you're almost done, and Steve is maybe 2/3 of the way done. Not quite 2/3.
That's a boy band move right there.
I'm assuming the yellow hand is the one in the room. Yeah. Maybe that would be
Probably
my
why you're not doing so great.
Oh, Brad's about to take it. Oh!